from this channel does not come from Dr. Jones or Waina TV. It only comes from public news source.
ZCC church members struck by lightning in Limpopo. ZCC church members strike by lightning in Limpopo. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones, Waina TV. Please subscribe. Note that this is not coming from Dr. Jones or Waina TV. It also comes from public source. In a tragic incident that has shocked the community of Ha Nchabeling outside Janfes in Limpopo, members of the Zion Christian Church ZCC found themselves in the midst of a calamity when lightning struck during a church service. The devastating event has resulted in one confirmed fatality, with several others sustaining injuries and subsequently being rushed to nearby hospitals for urgent medical attention. The ZCC congregation had gathered for what was expected to be a routine service when nature unleashed its fury. Witnesses described a sudden and intense bolt of lightning that struck the church, causing panic and chaos among the worshippers. The loud crack of thunder was followed by screams as members scrambled to safety, realizing the severity of the situation. Emergency services were immediately alerted and paramedics rushed to the scene to attend to the injured. The area was cordoned off as authorities began their investigation into the unprecedented event, trying to piece together the sequence of events that led to such a tragic outcome. The news has sent shockwaves throughout the community, with family members and friends gathering to mourn the loss of their beloved ones. Leaders of the ZCC Church have expressed their condolences, offering prayers and support to those affected by the tragedy. The incident serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictable forces of nature and the fragility of human life. As investigations continue, questions arise about the safety measures in place during such gatherings. Authorities are urging religious institutions and event organizers to prioritize safety protocols, especially during adverse weather conditions. This tragic incident underscores the importance of being prepared and taking necessary precautions to ensure the well-being of attendees. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones, Waina TV. Please subscribe. Note that this news that does not come from Dr. Jones or Waina TV. It only comes from public news sources, which is Zebediala Voice. Thank you. Bye.
Remember not to attack any person for your own opinion, because your opinion is your opinion, and your opinion is not everyone's opinion, and your opinion is based on your own knowledge, and what you know is what you know. What you know may not be what other people know, but your opinion is your opinion. So anyone has got something that he knows, but there is a fact, there is an opinion. Always respect one another and respect anyone's opinion. No opinion is superior than another person's opinion. So let's respect each other in the comment sections and respect everyone's opinion.